guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina, and this is the final chapter of the spring garage additions or spring upgrades. This kind of spread out into summer. We're just a little bit after July 4th, but it's all finished up now. Roof is extended out, as you can see. I've put vinyl siding up on here for my lean-to expansion, and I'm waiting on one little trim piece there. I don't know if it shows up well or not, but I painted the inside of it. We're going to hang some shovels, rakes, stuff like that. But inside here, place to park the Kubota, and as you can see, I got some lights installed up there. And I mean, there's some organizing left to do, but for the most part, that's finished up. And as you can see, I finally got some gravel delivered, so that's nice too. And as we pan over here, I've replaced the light above the main garage and add a little bit of decorations, an old Volkswagen trunk lid. And then we move over to this, and when last you saw this, it was starting to take shape, and I was debating on whether or not to put in garage doors and regular doors or just leave it as a lean-to. As you can see, I decided to go ahead and enclose it. And before anyone thinks that I've got a lot of money to burn, I want to point out that my wife works at a home improvement store, and both those items right there were $50 a piece. And that garage door's regular price is something like $400, and the regular door I think was $275. But she was able to get those. They were both damaged and returned, and so $50 a piece. So that pushed me over the edge to decide to go ahead and fix that up and close it. And I think it really came out nice. As you can see, I got a light right there over it, and that's on the same circuit as that one. So at night, you really get this whole area lit up, which is really nice for working on stuff outside in the yard if you need to. Let me go ahead and I'll open the garage door up, and we'll show you inside of that, and that'll conclude this whole series. Alright, here it is all opened up. Get a little closer. You can see I got the gravel. Finally got some gravel delivered. Used the Kubota to spread that out. Worked wonderfully. That Kubota's, man, a lot of money, but boy, it sure does help when it comes time to do stuff like this. The walls here, they were just going to be regular studded 2x4s and just left open, but ended up having a roofing project that a neighbor was doing, and he had all these boards, 4x8 sheets that they pulled up from his old roof, and I grabbed them, pulled the nails out of them, and repurposed them. Put new fresh paint on them, and now I've got some more official looking walls. I'll walk around here. There you can see a little workbench area for my wife. She's got her little garden center that she was looking for. So that's nice. And then we hung up some of our more commonly used implements up here. Hose, rakes, stuff like that. And this wall, garden hose, wiring, tarps, just random stuff. But plenty of room to park some of the power equipment that we have here. And a little bit extra room to maneuver around. As you can see, I did add electricity in here as well. I've got a light there and a light there to light this up, which is especially nice during the winter time. So yeah, man, what a project. Painted the door up, got a matching door lock for it, so that's nice. So that's it. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. If you followed this spring upgrades series that I've made here, well, you've seen things get kind of out of control, but in the end, I think they really came out nice. I've got a garage that was already large by normal people standards, but I've turned it into something even more impressive by adding a, I don't know, a toy shed, I guess people would call that, a toy garage. You could definitely fit an ATV if you had one of those, or a four-wheeler or whatnot. And you've got your workshop area, a two-car garage with a little bit of space behind it, and then over here, nice big lean-to for the big new power equipment. And again, I still got a little bit of work, clean up stuff and go through that, but overall I'm very happy. If you like this video or the series of videos, please consider liking and subscribing, because there'll be more like it. And I'll just back up a little bit more, get the whole thing into view. There it is, the garage at Farpoint Farms. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.